channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. Friday night, bubble tea and cars. Lots of the brigade came out. Byron, Marty, Tammy, Supa, Steve. All the crew came out. But the turnout here is absolutely incredible. Guys who do that revving should be fired and take license taken away, and your privilege of being a car enthusiast gone. Have some respect for the places that we come out and hang out. We want to be able to keep coming here so everybody can enjoy the cars. So if you're revving and stunting and two-stepping, stop it. Don't do it. Check out this sound system.
Honesty.
Old school Typhoon, square body, so nice.
Oh, you did order a chocolate one? Okay.
It is so busy here. Oh, look at that donk. Check out this donk. That is friggin' sick. Gotta check out this old rod. That is so clean. That'll definitely stand out in a crowd. They do not make those like that anymore. We got John Walsh here. Check out those wheels. John, you are killing it. Super clean, brother. Looks so good. Fitment on point. Shout out to you, man, for contacting me on Instagram. Nice to see your car in person. And there's this crazy wrapped thingamajig. See, Jason, you could bring your vets here to Deerfoot City. Beamer crew. Abe.
That's what I mean, like it's insane.
That's one massive sub box. Talk about fill the car. We got the red line sorority girls. And we got Mr. Murphy looking good in his little Mini. And he's picked up another Mini friend. Here's Jay. John. A lot of these cars you guys should remember. The matching livery, looking sweet as always. This is pretty wild. Honda. Wide-bodied. Nice wheels. Mark showed up in the M4. Still rocking the HQ BMW air freshener. Tell me if you can figure out what these guys' crew and banner says. Banner on a stock Civic. Gotta start somewhere. Porsche GT3 RS, proper center exhaust, and bam, Genesis. Who did it better, Genesis or Porsche? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Not anyone gets the flex on the GT3 RS. Someone's pretty special.
Well, that's actually the. I don't know. What do I call one of them? Baby space provider.
All right. Dark enough now. Already can rock the lights. Drop a comment below. Let me know what you guys think of the underglow.
No way. No way.
Check this out. Yeah, that is friggin' badass. You guys have seen this car before, but this is what you do at car meets. So friggin' cool. What do you think of this? That is so freaking cool. Flexing your underside. I wonder if you have to extend your brake lines and all that. Maybe not, because it looks like it stays with the chassis. Here's a super clean E30 parked up next to the Caddy. Really good shape. So clean. Nice wheels. Very sweet. Tom's car sounds pretty nasty. Nothing like an American V8. Supa, everyone seems to be taking off. Well, there's some bonus rollers for you guys. We did some rollers on the way home from the bubble tea and cars. Pretty awesome. Now that my wife's a lot more comfortable driving the M3, I can get more photos and video like that, which is freaking awesome. So, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Just kind of random of everything car related here in Calgary, Alberta. That's about as big as we've ever seen, pretty much. So drop a comment, let me know what you guys think. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.